Pluto used to be the 9th planet, so what happened? Let's go back to 1930. That's when a 24-year-old astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto. People were thrilled, a tiny, icy world sitting far beyond Neptune. For over 75 years, Pluto held its spot in school books as the smallest planet in our solar system. But in the early 2000s, scientists started finding other Pluto-like objects in the same region, the Kuiper Belt, some were nearly the same size. One was even bigger, so if Pluto is a planet, do we start calling all those other icy rocks planets too? That created a huge debate. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union finally made a decision. They defined exactly what a planet is. And Pluto didn't fit. To be a planet, an object has two. 1. Orbit the Sun. Point 2. Be round in shape. 3. Clear its orbit of other objects. That last rule is where Pluto fails. It shares its orbit with a bunch of space debris and other icy bodies. It's not the dominant object in its neighborhood. So, Pluto was officially reclassified as a dwarf planet. Thanks for watching. Please join as a member to support this channel.